Okay, well, we got the snow all right last night. All this came since yesterday. A little hard to see how deep it is until you see my snowblower here and see that actually it's up above my snowblower. The neighbors have their snowblowers out, self-propelled, trying to clear the road for people to get through because the plows are overwhelmed here in this city. And the drifting was really bad. Here's our steps that go up, and if you look right there, that's our handrail. So the snow is not only up to the handrail, it's above the handrail. About July, we should get rid of this snow. And I've got a lot of snow blowing to do. It overwhelms my little machine. I should have bought the big self-propelled when I bought it. I wanted to buy it, I was ready to buy it, and the salesman talked me into this one. So I'm going to go look that salesman up. What a mess. This is like a storm of the century.